Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin right away by confirming requirements. Both you and the recipient need iOS 16 or newer and iMessage active. Once confirmed, open Messages and go to the chat with the message to remove. Press and hold the exact message. When the menu appears, choose Unsend for full removal or Edit to alter content. You do this because Unsend tells Apple servers to retract the item within the allowed window, and Edit replaces content while leaving history visible on some devices. Now execute the chosen action. If you pick Unsend, act fast, tap Unsend within the 2-minute window. The message is then removed from both sides if the other party uses compatible software. If you choose Edit, make the correction and send, the recipient sees the updated text plus a small edited label. Make sure Messages shows blue bubbles, iMessage, not green SMS. Unsend cannot remove green SMS or messages already delivered to incompatible devices. Finish by confirming removal on your end and asking the recipient to check theirs. If Unsend succeeded, the message will vanish and be replaced with a note that it was unsent. If not, the message may still exist on older iOS or non-iMessage clients. If you encounter failure, tell the recipient to delete the message manually and turn off message forwarding or SMS fallback. This ensures no lingering copies remain. Also, make sure both sides are online and synced to iCloud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.